To mirror your sketch in Solidworks, you need a sketch that will serve as a mirror, that will perform the function of a mirror. So let's say we have sketch around this side of our plane, and we want to mirror the sketch. Okay, so you can trim it. Okay, so let's say you want to mirror this sketch. I didn't add dimension because I don't really need it. To mirror this sketch to this side, that means you need you need a sketch that will perform the function of a mirror, or you can use plane instead of a sketch. So that is, it will be our mirror plane or our mirror sketch. So let's say we want to mirror about this point. Let's check if we have a plane around this point. So we have this plane. That means this plane can perform the function of our mirror. So it has been selected from start. If I click our mirror entity, you see mirror about, it has been registered. So which entity do you want to register? So you have to pick here. So now I'm selecting one after the other. So as I'm selecting, you can see the preview here. So if you click OK, this is what you have. And you have one more option, which is copy. That is, if you check this copy, you are just copying this sketch to this side. But if you uncheck it, that means you are not copying. You want to move, you want to copy this just like cut. Yes, you want to cut this sketch from here to this side. So I'm going to first demonstrate the first option, which is this. You see we have it at the both side. So I'm going to undo it and then use the option again. Now it has been selected, so I'm going to select this. Now you see it has been copied, so I'm going to uncheck this and click. You see we have it being cut away from this side to this side. So another option, another way of using copy entities, I'm trying to change the orientation of my sketch. I can use sketch or construction line as my mirror. So I want to change this line to construction line for construction. Good. So I'm going to pick mirror tool and mirror about, select this line, and I'm going to click this box. So now this is what I want to select. You can either check this or uncheck this, similar to the previous one. So the purpose of the reason why we might want to use line is because let's say we want to mirror our sketch about a particular angle, just like this. From here, let's say through this place, and okay, I want to undo this, and then okay, this is okay. You can define the angle. Let's say 30. So just change this to construction line. It doesn't matter, but I just want to change it to construction line. Okay, so let's say we want to mirror about that place, powder line. So click mirror about, and then what you want to mirror. So you see, you want to mirror your sketch about this line. So instead of giving headache of creating a plane along this of this angle, you can just use your line to define your mirror, and then you have your sketch being copied here. So that's how to copy your um, entities and sketch in Solidworks. So thank you. Kindly share my video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and like my video if you find this video useful.